be showing you guys how to get the perfect consistency with microwavable wax. We've heated up the wax for a minute so far, and the consistency is still a little bit too thick to wax. So we went ahead and added 30 seconds to the microwave time, which ended up making it the perfect consistency. So now we're gonna show you how to wax with it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us today use that hard wax from GiGi that you can now find at your local CVS. It's super easy to use at home. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys at CVS.